Hi, so I've decided to go on an adventure. It's not my usual kind. I'm in Cirencester, Gloucestershire, England. My dad passed away recently, so I've been here taking care of that. And I've had, it's just been horrible, you know, everything I've been through. So I figured it's time to have a day off. So I don't have a car, and I have decided to go to Borton-on-the-Water. So first I have to get to the bus station in Cirencester, and then I have to take the bus to Borton-on-the-Water, which takes about an hour. As you can see, it's another cold, overcast, gloomy day, and it's been like this ever since my dad passed away. A little walkway under the roundabout. So I'm here. Took half the time I thought it was going to, so I don't know. Anyway, that's the bus I'll be getting back. Let's go and explore Borton-on-the-Water. So Borton-on-the-Water is also called the Venice of the Cotswolds. Here is why. Delicious looking bread there. I just went in there for a cup of tea, and the bread looks absolutely amazing. Goodness. Wow. Getting a little bit of sunshine. Amazing. And walking all the massive amounts of pigeon poo. Ooh. So Americans might notice that there are no screens on the windows in the UK. They just open right out. It says Bourton, then Morton, then Chipping Norton. Going to pay to go to the bathroom. Oh yes. I remember when it used to be tuppence to go to the bathroom. Okay, how do we get out? I can't figure out how to get out. It's not doing anything. How do we get out of here?
What does it say?
It says stand here. Push it.
Well, that's completely ridiculous.
Let's see a second. Oh, I guess you have to do a jump. So travelling by bus in England is a very popular thing. That is the bus stop for my bus stop that I will take back to Cirencester. In fact, you can go almost anywhere in the country by bus and train. It takes a long time, but you can do it. So within Borton-on-the-Water there is a model village of the village, and there might even be a model village of the model village within the village. Not really my thing. Well, that's me for Borton-on-the-Water. My back at the bus stop here. My bus should be here soon. I've got this entire bus to myself.